Oh, they must be backing in. It's morning, guys, and I'm coming to you live from Barbados. This is a beautiful island, guys, and we're about to go out and do an adventure today and find out what are some of the places to see, and because this is my first time visiting Barbados, so wish me luck. So just in case if you have never seen what a cruise boat looks like up close and personal, I'm gonna show you the full image of what a cruise ship looks like and how big it is. Check this out. Beautiful, right?
They got mixed up. It was Jamal want to come. That was he at.
Take back that.
our agency that is owned by 4 great
One Sandy Lane. Get that on the
$30,000.
We get over here.
A night.
One side
Wait.
way.
That's hot.
So this is a private resort.
Gotta see.
One Sandy Lane.
30K.
30K a night. This ain't here. What be so many classes if they live in? Everybody in Georgia be driving 80. Yeah.
Which side is on?
So them the celebrities. Tipo Polo, Michael Kors.
Michael Kors wax. Wax. Barbados. How was your time in Barbados?
Nice. It was very nice.
How was your time in Barbados?
Great, excellent.
There you have it, guys.
Oh.
You hit it. He don't get you.
He coming to pick somebody up.
Picking up the harbor guy.
The harbor?
There's someone that drives the boat out of the harbor.
Oh.
So they get on the boat and then they pick them up. Drop them off.
Oh, okay, the harbor guy.
He done hit the boat. He getting on. Bro, he done hit the boat.
Yeah, he done hit it. He ain't hit it for real. Because they got to get on.
They gotta be close.
That's why he gonna take off in the way.
He picking up somebody.
Yeah, he picking somebody up.
She said a harbor guy.
It's okay.
Bye! Don't hit our boat no more. Gotta give you a ticket.
He had to drive the boat out. They so smart.
So they're off, guys.
They blowing. They did their job. They got us out where we need to be. I put black people on.
Aaron, Jamar, bring back up.